Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Today we're doing a house tour, which is the same day as Ice Cube Challenge Day.
That's what I was supposed to say. That's why I'm wearing my glasses and the exact same outfit. I wear this outfit every single day. I have a Abercrombie sweater and black pants. The only thing I change are my pants and my shirt. So I have all different sizes on my pants. They're black pants. So why am I even telling you my personal information?
Okay, so let's get on. So here is the front door. Yeah. And then there's like
You would have seen this door in the Annabella Madison's thing.
And then here's our backpacks and coats and shoes, and then like there's like shoes for Stacy's coat. Let's go in. Okay, yeah. So
Why is this door open?
this is a closetinio. It's like so stylish. So yeah, this is like closetinio.
Yeah.
Great.
Let me turn off that light. There's also a light in there.
Here, let me show you right where the light is. Right by that shoe. So now, there's like an opening there, and then you go into the living room. So there's like the lamp. So here
So
is
we
like,
don't have a ceiling light thing.
yeah, for
Thing, which is very annoying. So here are the couches and the TV and the fireplace down there. And then
okay.
and then Beatrice and Stacy are watching something.
So yeah, here's just like a little nook for us. Then there's like, these are full of air. Sorry, yeah.
This is my
They're on the bean bags, and
This
then
is my corner.
this is Annabelle's corner. Yeah.
Let's move on.
Walking. This is the dining room. And yes, we did clean up.
Because Madison decided to do a house tour, and then we had to clean up the whole house.
Basically. And then over there is where we keep like the computer on the little extra chairs, and then there's
And this
a
is
beautiful
our
picture.
garden.
Mini garden, which looks out to a real garden of our neighbors.
So here is no, and like this.
A free space.
So we usually do like when we like just play or something, we do like obstacle courses.
Yeah, and behind that curtain is like a giant, like a giant ceiling to floor window, and then it's like a slide door, and there's like a giant like backyard. We have like a pool and stuff. Okay, so here's our island.
Before you look at the island, I can play a song for y'all.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay, yeah.
Baby shark doo doo
And then that's like pictures and like
Thanks.
yeah. So here's the island.
So here are the stools.
Yeah, stools that are perfect fit for. And then here's
This is our like mini cafe thing.
welcome to Madison's Cafe. Oh, there's yogurt that I didn't eat. Okay, so there's like the microwave and the thing.
Thing.
That looks like a mini oven, and I love it. And then this is the coffee arena for, the parents. And then here is a door to
So this is where we do
a side door to our backyard.
So this is where we do our kitchen videos, and this is where we tested the ice cube. It looks like poop right now.
Yeah.
So just don't look at that.
And that's our awesome dishwasher.
And yes, this is a cool water machine thing. I'll
It's
show
awesome
y'all.
because there's room temperature.
2, 1. So it comes out like that. Why did I do that?
Oh yeah, I forgot there's no thing in the. Oh, there is a thing in the bottom.
Whatever. Just. Anyways,
So there's the snack cupboard in the fridge. If you.
the snack cupboard is just like everybody takes stuff from that.
Yeah. that's
And
right.
then I get really mad.
So
Anyways,
opening this door, back to where we started. Yeah.
now we go upstairs.
Up.
Up
Turn
we
on.
go. Up we go. Up goes the weasel.
So here is
this is just
bathroom.
like the guest bathroom kind of ish. Not exactly a guest bathroom, but like a baby kid's bathroom because it's like our like baby cousins like have a shower in here and stuff.
Oh, and the toilet.
Why are we
It's
showing
definitely
the
not
toilet?
open. And then dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, we're not recording with that phone right now. Here is where we like experiment things. That's not an experiment actually. That's a bowl of Doritos.
So we also so this is the table. So we also had a Earth experiment thing. So where is it? Where do you
Is it
put
by Jesus?
Where do you put it?
I don't know where it is. Okay, well we made this experiment about how we're gonna save Earth from an asteroid.
Earth. Oh, I found it.
Grab it. Show them quickly. Our plan to save Earth.
So how we started it was Stacy decided to draw an Earth about to crack. We pretended we were scientists. Math.
That's
Some
okay.
critical math going on there.
And then this is like
That and then
yeah, it's very
yeah. So we tested it out on that.
scientific actually. Some things are random, but some things are actually real.
Why are we showing our private personal thing? What if camera on?
Oh no! No! And then that's kind of also where we got it from, because
Okay.
Okay.
Let's
I hope Cameron doesn't see this
So
today.
this is the master suite.
And we're not going in there because there's guests in there right now. So there's like this little hut room right here where we store all like the books. Yeah, that's a sacred time. Another story to be told.
And that's just a
Chalkboard.
really dirty chalkboard.
Yeah, okay. And then there's a
I don't even.
window.
Oh. The outside wilderness.
Yeah, we live in a really like busy neighborhood, but our house is like the biggest. So. Yeah.
So upstairs.
I love how there's like a light right there. So then
And
it's
then
like
like up here. Here's another window with.
plastic over it because there's like bees coming in. So.
You mean it was
There wasn't
cold?
any bees coming in.
You mean she's trying to say it was cold, okay?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't have pile of clothes.
Okay, in here.
So here is
Annabella's.
Annabelle's room. Yeah,
So
it's
it's
a
really-
disaster. She has
A
this stroller.
disastrous. Those are my BFFs. Anyways, okay, just move on. Don't let them see.
Then she has her own speaker and some Lego and a fascinating unicorn picture. And this hook was removed from our studio, which I'm kind of sad about because I didn't really realize that. But oh, and there's her fake fish tank because she's sad.
Hey, let's quickly head on out. So
In here is
our bathroom.
yes, me and her name's bathroom.
Annabelle.
And better stuff. In the master suite, there's like a hot tub and like a nice the room, toilet, mirror. Yeah, we can get the point. Oh my god.
And here is Madison's room, which we cleaned up, but like
Yeah.
she just shoved everything on it.
Yeah.
And then up here is Stacy's thing. She sleeps up here.
Well, Stacy sometimes sleeps up there. Whenever Stacy and Beatrice sleep there when they come for sleepovers.
Yes.
And it's sad because they have to sleep in my room. That's my part of the bed.
I don't even know.
So here is a closet, and this is very wisdomy. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Yeah. So yeah, it's like a towel and blanket.
Oh,
Evocative.
let's stick this right.
So we have that little mat there, like always. And our studio, which watch the room tour of our new studio if you want to see. Crackers from the whole wheat ASMR. Zen. We got a new poster! I've already seen that.
And then
And
here
then-
is.
Oh yeah, we got this Barbie and really cool. So
And then
we got
like
rid of
the
beanbag
necklace.
chairs because like they're too big. So we got little like floor animal pillows. That's a foxer, and a sheepy.
Here's the disgusting
disgusting.
crap. I don't even know why they were disgusting. I wasn't very well that day.
So we hope you guys
Like
loved our house.
yes, love. Make sure to like this
and
video
and subscribe down below. But if you already did, that's okay. We
Love
love
you
you guys
guys so
so much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.